Welcome back to John Kleis Car. Today we've got a Morgan Aero 8 behind us. This vehicle came in with the standard Parrot Asteroid unit, which wasn't working very well, and the customers upgraded it with a new Sony to give wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a much nicer looking screen, which works a lot better. What a beautiful car this is, I have to say. Do absolutely love these cars. Black on black with a red interior. Super gorgeous vehicle and a pleasure to have something like this in. We do quite a few Morgans for different radios and aerials and stuff like that. This is the first one that we've got in which actually has a doubled in inside it, because it's very limited, the doubled in option on these vehicles, and this is the first one that we've came across. So, right, hopping into the interior of the car. Here we have the Sony head unit. So this Sony head unit just sits into the dashboard, exactly where the factory head unit was. We've actually tilted this just slightly to help give it a bit of a kick. Customers said there was a lot of glare on the old stereo because it did literally point towards the sky. Without drastically changing the aesthetics, we've managed to kick it up a little bit, and we've actually 3D printed a little trim ring. It's only a very small one, not very easy to pick up on the camera, but that trim ring just helps fill the edges, so it's not going to be any spiders crawling around the back of the edge unit as the customer asked for. This Sony works really nicely. It's got a lovely capacitive screen. The 7-inch works well in this. We had debates on whether we put a larger 9-inch screen which would sort of float in front of this area, but kind of from the driver's position, you know, I can see the screen pretty perfectly. I think a 9-inch would have probably pushed the view just behind the wheel and made it a little bit more difficult to see. But you know, this Sony head unit, you got your Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, TomTom Go. It's the perfect accomplice for traveling and navigating around. You've now got all your phone access, you've got your music if you use Apple Music, you've got Apple Maps. Messaging is also nice and easy. You can use your voice to send and receive messages, whether it be Apple or Android, and you know, loads of navigation options. As I've been saying, Google Maps, TomTom Go is a really good one. I personally most of the time use Apple Maps. It was a little bit of an installation, takes sort of a bit more than a day to do, sort of a day to 2 days, and we've sort of custom 3D printed the ring and stuff like that to help fit it in, and also custom printed brackets to actually mount the stereo in there. But it's nice and secure into the dashboard. It's going to really lift it, lifts the interior up nicely and just updates the customer to features that are pretty much a standard on the newer radios and cars of today. It's the home screen on the Sony, so it's quite a nice simple home screen, so it doesn't really look out of place. Doesn't like affect the car's interior as much at all, and yeah, it looks really neat. That's it for this brief video from Max at John Kleis Car. If you've got a Morgan, any sort of Morgan, and you want to get a radio upgrade, feel free to get in contact with us and we can get something sorted out for you. Many thanks for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.